Good morning all of you. I Razia Pathan from Gnan Maji Vidyapit standard 4th. So students, in the previous lecture में हम लोगों ने additions and the subtractions के multiplications हम लोगों ने किए थे word problems में. ठीक है. Now we'll start worksheet number 16 multiplication word problems. Multiplication word problems. Okay. So in that word problems, here is a one example. It takes 2 meters of clothes to make one shirt. How much clothes will be needed to make 15 shirts? This one is a question. Okay. So here we have to follow some steps. That steps I'll show you. Step 1. Step 1 is a ask. Step 1 is a number. Numbers and keywords. What was the step 1? Step 1 is a numbers and keywords. So first of all, in that questions we have to identify numbers and keywords. So it take 2 meters. 2 meters is a numbers. Clothes to make one shirt. One shirt बनाने के लिए कितना meters clothes चाहिए? 2 meters. How much clothes will be needed to make 15 shirt? 15 shirts के लिए कितने क्लॉथ्स रिक्वायरमेंट है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट स्टेप 2 इज आस्क. सो व्हाट दे आर आस्क, हाउ मच क्लॉथ्स विल बी नीडेड टू मेक 15 शर्ट. 15 शर्ट बनाने के लिए हमें कितने क्लॉथ्स चाहिए. दैट वन इज दे आर आस्किंग टू अस. नाउ स्टेप 3 ड्रॉ. स्टेप 3 is a draw. So here we have to draw 3 boxes in that 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters like 15 shirts. Okay. Then step 4 operation. So in that, since 2 meters repeated 15 times, how many times 2 meters is repeated? 15 times. So we should multiply 2 meters by 15. हम क्या करेंगे? 2 meters को 15 के साथ multiplication करेंगे. ठीक है. So clothes needed is equal to 2 meters into 15. 2 meters into 15. Now step 5 solution. Step 5 is a solution. So in that, what we have to do? Use the operation to solve and write the answers. So what we have to do? 15 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 0, write it here 0. 1 is a carry over. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. Here answer is 3. 3 meter clothes is needed to make 15 shirt. Now look at this, everyone. Solve the following questions in your notebook. So in that, there are 15 pineapple in a basket. There are 15 pineapple in a basket. Each pineapple weight is 515 grams. What is the total weight of all the pineapples? Okay. हमें यहाँ पे total weight of the pineapple find करना है. So in that, we have to follow steps. What we have to do? We have to follow the steps. In that, step 1, numbers and keywords. So what was the numbers is that 15 pineapples in a basket. 15 pineapple, 515 grams. 15 grams weight is there. Okay. 515 gram weight is there. Step 2 ask. What they asked to us? What is the total weight of all the pineapple. Total weight of the pineapples. Step 3 draw. Here we have to draw 3 boxes. 15 and 515 grams. Okay. Now step 4 operation. So here we have to do multiplication. What we have to do? Multiplication. And step 5. Step 5 is a solution. Step 5 is a solution. So in that, what we have to do? Now first you have to look step 1 to 4. After that we'll start next step 5. Step number 5. First you look at this. Step 5. So in that, first of all we have to write 515 into 15. 5 zeros are 0, 5 fives are 25, 5 fives are 20, 5 fives are 25, write it here 5, 2 is a carry over, 5 fives are 25 plus 2, 27, cross it out here, 1 zeros are 0, 1 fives are 5, 1 fives are 5, 0 as it is, 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 5, 12, write it here 2, 1 is a carry over, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So here answer is 8,215. The total weight of all pineapples is 8,215. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, now look at here. It takes 5 meter cloth of stitch, 1 uniform. How much cloth will be required to make the 17 uniforms? Okay. So in that what we have to do? Here we have to do multiplication. We have to follow some steps. Step 1. Numbers. First of all we have to find numbers. So here we have to write 5 meters, 5 meters and 1 uniform. $17 uniform. Now step 2. Ask. What they are asked to us? How much clothes will be? How much clothes will be required to make 17 uniform. Step 3. Draw. Step 3. Draw 5 and 17. Step 4 operation. Here we have to do multiplication. Step 5. Step 5 is a solution. Step 5 is solution. Step 5 is a solution. So here we have to write 17 into 5. 5 sevens are 35. 3 is a carryover. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 3 8. So our answer is the clothes required to make 17 uniform is 85 meters. 85 meters. Now look at this. Step 1 to 4. Look at all the sums and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, now next one is A 15 centimeter long ribbon is required to wrap a gift. ठीक है, गिफ्ट को रैप करने के लिए 15 सेंटीमीटर रिबन रिक्वायरमेंट है. ठीक है, हाउ मच रिबन इज रिक्वायर्ड टू रैप 18 गिफ्ट्स. वन गिफ्ट को रैप करने के लिए 15 मीटर्स रिबन हमें चाहिए. सो 18 गिफ्ट को पैक करने के लिए हमें कितने रिबन्स चाहिए वो हमें फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू फॉर दैट. Here we have to do multiplication with the steps. So step 1 numbers. First of all we have to find the numbers. 15 centimeter long ribbon and 18 gifts. How many gifts are there? 18 gifts. Okay, now step 2. Step 2 is a ask. What they are asked? They are asking how much ribbon is required to wrap 18 gifts. How much ribbons is required to wrap 18 gifts? Step 3, draw. Step 3 is a draw. So what we have to do? We have to draw here 3 boxes. 15 and 18. So in that step 4 operation. Step 4 is a operation. Step 4 operation. So what we have to do here? Multiplication. What we have to do? Multiplication. Step 5 solution. Step 5 is a solution. So in that here we have to write 15 into 18. 8 5s are 14. 4 is a carryover. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 4 9 10 11 12 120. Cross it out here. 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. 0 as it is. 2 plus 5 7. 2 plus 5 7. 1 as 1 plus 1 2. So answer, the length of the ribbon required to wrap 18 gifts is 217 meters. 217 meters. Now look at first 4 steps and write it down in your notebook. Now look at students step 5 and write it down in your notebook. Now so here we are completed worksheet number 16. In that worksheet example हम लोगों ने किया and after that 3 sums we are completed here. Remain 1 sum is there, so you have to complete that sums and homework जो है वो before 3 o'clock WhatsApp group में आप लोगों को सबमिट करना है. ठीक है एवरीवन, होमवर्क बिफोर 3 o'clock आप लोग सबमिट करवाओगे एंड यू हैव टू डू द सम्स और टेबल्स आप लोगों को लर्न करने हैं. टेबल्स आप लोगों के लर्न हो गए देन ओनली यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर्स. ओके, सो हियर टुडे विल डू व्हाट वी हैव टू डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. आज हमने क्या किया? मल्टीप्लिकेशन word problems. And your homework is complete your worksheet number 16 and before 3 o'clock homework है वो आप लोगों को सबमिट करवाना है. ठीक है एवरीवन? ओके एवरीवन, बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे. I hope so your work is complete. All the sums